gosh. Look what I just stumbled across. The Papio. A lot bigger than our last videos. This is where it all begins. Ah, beautiful. Morning! Today, me and James, we'll be fishing. We already have our hooks prepared. Looky, looky. This has been marinating for a week and a half. That'll be raw chicken, cherry Kool-Aid, and garlic. So if we get hungry later, we have something to eat. Or not. You know, we have goldfish. Goldfish. We have the infamous Woods Bait Shop worms. You guys have to see these. I'm telling you right now, they're the best. Look how freaking thick those are. Oh my. So yeah, if we get hungry later, we won't starve. All right. Yep, we're here at the Papio. I can't tell you exactly where this is. I know I usually do, but this is my spot. We can have secrets. Like, comment, subscribe in this video. Turn the notification bell on so you know exactly when we upload videos. Right, James?
Yeah.
Well, let's get to fishing. Beautiful cast. We were gonna go down all the way down. That's about a mile walk to the Missouri River. That's right there. This is the Papio. So use your imagination on exactly where we are. I'm not gonna mention it, but Google Maps, you'll get right here. I don't care. But there's a lot of fish surfacing everywhere, and they're not Asian carp. I'm telling you right now, they're not. So we should catch a fish pretty quick. Hey guys, first fish on. It's a drum. Alrighty then. Hey, how am I gonna get down there to get my drum? I almost died. That's okay. Ooh, that was a big bullfrog. There's our first fish. Little drum bud. Ooh, nice. That one's also getting bites, the red pole. So watch that real quick. I'm really debating on whether to use this as bait, or since it's our first fish, release him. Let him go. All right. Well, there's our first fish. You want to let him go? Grab him by the mouth. Let everybody see. Nice. Nice. If you can walk down there, yeah. Let's go for the release.
Oh, he's dead. He's not dead.
What a gracious release.
Can you hold me? No.
Don't worry, guys. He lived. He swam off. All right, well, in the comments, tell me the longest you guys have gone without fishing. And I'm talking about the real fishermen, not the ones that, oh, I just watch YouTube fishing videos. No. Real fishermen, what is the longest you have gone without fishing? Not the winter. Not talking about winter. I'm talking nice weather, beautiful weather. You can go fishing if you want, but you just had a drought. I think the longest I've gone, oh man, I'd say about 3 weeks. But if there are any other fishing YouTubers that watch my videos, put your YouTube channel in the comments. I like to check those out. A lot of people don't like when other YouTubers put stuff on their channel in the comments. Oh, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. No. Do it. Write it in my comments, and I want to check out your videos. There are a few channels out there, one particular in Nebraska, another one in, I think it's Indiana or Illinois, that I pretty religiously watch. My biggest reason why I go out and fish probably has to be Pig Patrol and 618 Fishing. Every video they post, I watch. They are fantastic. But unlike every other fishing channel out there, nobody gives away their spots except me. So if you want to know some good spots, decent spots, I'll let you know. Hell, even in the comments, ask me where some good spots are. What are some good baits? I'll answer you. I reply to every single comment. But there are a few select spots that I just can't give away. Like my waterfall videos, any of my rock hounding videos, geode videos. I just cannot give those ones away. 99% of my fishing videos, I'll tell you right where I am. I'll tell you exactly how to get here, what's around the area so you can find it. Like this spot, I'm gonna make you guys do your own research. This is the Papio, the Papillion Creek. Right there, all the way down to the end, about a mile, is the Missouri River. Well, this place has been pretty much totally dead all day, except that one drum. So what we're gonna do, see all the way down there? We're gonna go fish down there tomorrow. This will be a 2-day video, not a 2-day long video. That would suck. But we're getting some weather. See? Told you. It's gonna start raining here soon, so we're gonna pack it up for the day, night, whatever you want to call it. Next time you see us, we will be way down there. See you tomorrow. Boom! We are down here. Oh boy, that was a far walk. Well, the other spot sucked. We were over there for about 2.5 hours. Literally not a single bite. So, let's try this. Last time I was here, I never filmed anything yet. But I wish I did. because I caught some monster fish here. Yummy. It was actually literally right down here. Put a goldfish down. Immediately got a bite. Set my hook. It just took it and just snapped it like a wet noodle. Oh my gosh. Oh no, guys, you saw that, right? Oh, I had it on. You guys saw it. Gosh darn it. Took all my liver. Well, it's been a fun one today, sort of. We caught one drum yesterday, 0 fish today. Got a few big bites. That's about it. I think we're gonna call it a day. A one fish video is not fun, but it's a video, whatever. So here's what I'm gonna do for you guys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shoot this for you guys. For the boys. Ready, James? Straight in the water. Ready?
Rainbow.
Yeah!
I saw a rainbow.
For the boys. Yeah. That just made today fun.
Start that over.
All right. Well, like, comment, subscribe. And hopefully next time we'll catch more fish, you know. Today sucked. Yesterday was one fish, whatever. It was a fish. It was a drum. So, that'll do it for this one. James has something to say.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yep. All right. I'll see you on the next fishing venture. Hopefully, we earned your subscription today. That would be nice. All right. Well, see you on the next one.